You're listening to the Results Driven Organizations podcast with Dr. Tanya Lowe, a podcast of curated conversations with C-suite leaders and those who support organizational growth and development. Get ready for inspiring interviews, educational lessons, and thought-provoking discussions that will challenge you to execute something new and innovative that will drive results in your organization. And now, here's Dr. Tanya Lowe.
Hello. You're listening to episode 19 of the Results Driven Organizations podcast with Dr. Tanya Lowe. Using my results-driven philosophy of strategy, leadership, teams, and customer experiences, I help organizations develop their best-kept secret, their human capital. This podcast is designed to expand the conversation with C-suite leaders and those who support organizational growth and development, and what it really takes to create, develop, and maintain results-driven and high-performing organizations. We are so excited to be back. We've taken a little hiatus, and we're back with a new season of amazing content that we hope that you will be able to apply to your everyday work life, that you can glean something from these next few episodes that you can put in place right away to create that results-driven and high-performing workplace, that high-performing organization. And I believe you can do that. So listen, September is Self-Care Awareness Month. We're almost at the end, but there's still time. So Self-Care Awareness Month is a time to remind us all that taking care of ourselves should be first and foremost the priority. Self-care is often neglected in our everyday lives because we tend to put others' needs before our own, even our jobs. It's crucial to remember that we cannot fill another's cup from our own empty vessel. Can you imagine you're trying to fill someone else's cup and your cup it's got cracks in it, it's broken, it doesn't even have a handle, but we're steadily trying to fill someone else's cup, and we do that often. While getting a massage or taking a walk are beautiful examples of taking time for our well-being, or I prefer to call that maintenance, self-care can be more expansive than that. As a matter of fact, it is. Self-care knows no boundaries. It is something that everyone, without exclusion, can benefit from practicing every day. True self-care is not self-centered, nor is it selfish. It is simply keeping yourself the focus of your own life. It's about paying attention to how you feel in each moment, communicating clearly, speaking up for yourself, and saying yes or no guilt-free. Self-care is about leadership. If you are a leader, how are you modeling the importance of self-care from the top down? Because studies have shown that your employees want to see this from you to know that it's okay for them. You've heard me say this before, and I'm going to keep repeating it because it's relevant to every topic. 3.9 million people quit their jobs in the spring. It's known as the Great Resignation. Employees started rethinking their future, reevaluating their workplace, your organization, and reassessing their wellness. Your top talent are walking out of the door mainly because of burnout, not feeling appreciated, stress, feeling disconnected, health issues, separation of work and personal time, and the list goes on and on. Use the month of September to make self-care a part of your personal mission and a part of your organizational mission. It should be a part of your daily organizational structure. Encourage your employees to practice being good to themselves. It can be as simple as a conscious breath in the morning or luxurious as time away from the pressures of every day, like a walk in the park or neighborhood. The kindness we show towards ourselves will manifest in a kinder, gentler organization. Ask your teams to post or send in pictures of what they do to take care of themselves and create a self-care company magazine. Enjoy the rest of Self-Care Awareness Month and remember to be good to yourself and most importantly, model that to the people that you have responsibility for. Thanks for joining me today. I am Dr. Tanya Lowe, CEO of the Resurgent Group of Metro Atlanta, and I help organizations develop their best kept secret, their human capital. And I would love to help you with your human capital needs. Visit the show notes page where you can get a copy of Results-Driven Organizations, the 4 Keys to a High Performance Workplace. It's a #1 bestseller. And be sure to grab our special gift to you for being a valued listener. Until next time.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Results Driven Organizations podcast with Dr. Tanya Lowe. Be sure to review the show notes for the resources mentioned, and don't forget to grab your free gift available at freegiftfromtanya.com. Until next time.